today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export audio in a WAV format in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Okay, so step number 1 is to drag the video or audio that you would like to make into a WAV audio file and add an in point and an out point, and click Ctrl+M on your keyboard. So under formats here, you want to locate where it says MP3. And unfortunately, Adobe Premiere Pro doesn't have a WAV format, but I'm going to show you a cool shortcut and a tip and trick on how you can get that completely for free. Okay, so go under to Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or your search engine or browser, and type in WAV converter. In this case, I'm using the first option here. I'll leave a link down below, or you can see it here on the screen. And once you've opened up on the website, click Choose Files, and this will open up for you to choose a file under your desktop or PC/Mac. Wait for that to load, and then click Convert, and then once it's complete, click Download. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.